Y es el mismo, güey. ¿Y el control de ahí?
Los controles ahí los puso su güey. Batería y ya, por fin terminamos este carro.
Make scratches and imperfections pop out. So just real quick, what happened to Maida?
I'm now in the office here, living the dream, I guess.
Walk in front of it?
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? Apologize to that man.
You f***ing late to my ass. Start cracking up on you.
Yeah, I know, I need to take it off.
Epoxy.
I think it's a better product.
This is all it's gonna do. Come on.
Where is right?
Over
I'll
here.
follow you.
Listen, you shoot this over here. Eventually, when you shoot the primer, it's gonna start building up more rust, and your bundle's gonna make bubbles.
Okay, that.
Oh, shoot it in there.
Inside, Shane. Don't worry.
Convenience store.
What's your way, Shane?
Y es el mismo, güey. ¿Y el control de ahí?
Los controles ahí los puso ese güey. Ahí están
Porque
adentro.
uno te lo dio de una 2000, como
Sí,
2001.
El pedo es que los cambiamos los dos, ya tenían los dos, pero necesitas checar porque uno me dijo que no estaba funcionando.
Pues voy a tener que ir al junkyard. a
No,
conseguir otro.
José, porque yo ya traje los dos. Ahí deben de estar adentro.
Ya los checamos, no quedan. Por eso te digo que a lo mejor va a tener que ir a...
Es que no eran de que no quedan porque yo traje los que debían llevar. Yo los cambié. Me había dado primero uno que no jalaba, que no era del diferente plug.
¿Ya están adentro?
Fui hasta Houston a levantar el otro que en realidad sí era.
Ya, es lo que tenemos
Sí,
el problema, que el
pero
blog
sí
no es el
también.
mismo.
No, es que ya me había dado el plug. Ya se le hizo lo de la mecánica, le voy a poner su batería y ya, por fin terminamos este carro tan dificultoso por la falta de partes. Ahorita es un gran problema las partes. Y todavía nos falta el depósito del antifreeze, pero ya lo vamos a parquear allá para cuando llegue la parte mecánica ya. En la tarde vamos a hacer este Transan, ya lo tenemos listo. Nomás nos falta unos detallitos de gap. Estos detalles de gap, mira. Lo vamos a usar en la tarde ya para sacarlo de lo que es de carrocería. Ya se le mandó a hacer todo lo demás y eso es lo que vamos a hacer por el día de hoy.
I am polishing this fender with the second compound to remove swirl marks. Since it's black, black really tends to make scratches and imperfections pop out, so I'm just getting rid of those. Basically what I was doing was I was polishing the black with the second step of compound to remove swirl marks, because black tends to show lots of imperfections and scratches if it wasn't prepared right. So right now I'm just polishing it so there's no scratches, or just getting nice and pretty, to be honest. You can see less swirls come out as I go. I keep it angled up right here to run it off the edge so I don't burn anything. Just smoother. Change the angle that you come at it. It shines right up. Real quick, what happened to Maida?
I'm now in the office here, living the dream, I guess.
All right. So, what do you need help on? What?
We need to check if the 2018 Colorado that they brought, I think last week, has a front camera, or is it called the front? So I need you to walk in front of it. Once I turn it on.
Walk in front of it?
Yeah.
Oh, just to see if the sensors work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
was gonna walk in front of it just to see if the sensors work.
It didn't do anything whenever you walked in front of it.
I'm guessing because there's no bumper.
That's a lot to do.
And the wires aren't even connected.
But it's
so,
but yeah.
I was actually gonna tell you maybe it's not gonna work because there's no bumper and the wires are nothing. I don't think no. So
I think that's a camera, isn't it?
that's not a camera.
Well, I don't know what anything is. I don't know what anything is. I just started working here.
Well, we all had to start somewhere. Welcome to the force.
So the facing camera is designed to see there's somebody crossing by and the car brakes itself, or when you're parking gives you the whole 360 view.
Okay, so whenever he walked in front of it, nothing happened.
No, because that would be the front camera.
That's what you're asking,
Yeah, the
right?
bumper's not there or the wires.
Yeah, there's two cameras. There's the one that goes behind the grill, on the bumper, under the hood, behind the headlights, or on there. The one that I need you to check is the front facing camera. That's behind the windshield. So in order to check that, you have to be running. So we're not gonna be able to check it.
What do you mean running? The
The
car?
car has to be able to move because the front-facing camera is designed to warning lights, avoid crashing when the car brakes itself, like the Nissan.
Basically it's that extra sensor that...
Yeah, you know how
Yeah,
people
it's
think
a
it
sensor.
keeps you in the lane. That's what the front-facing camera is for. But in order for me to check if it's working or not, we're gonna need to put some tires on the car to get it rolling.
But you don't think that if we call like the dealership or something, they could tell us?
Yeah, I guess we could do
Okay,
that too.
I can do that for you.
Hello, this is Myra with Mill Avenue. How can I help you?
Madre mía, ese pinche basurero que tenemos. Shane! Shane! What the f is this? You throw away a part?
Oh, wait. I ain't throwing none of that shit away.
Hey, you want a bucket? Shane?
Got anything? Is it clean?
Yeah, it's chlorine. You want it or no?
Yeah.
Pinche cloro de la cerveza.
Apologize to that man.
No tiene reflejos, Shane. What, Shane? ¿Va a sacar la mic?
Vamos a sacar el mitad del camioncito. Aquí se lo voy a tirar a la mitad.
Échamelo para acá.
¿Dónde quiere que lo ponga?
Échamelo para acá, ahorita lo voy a meter ahí. Lo que nos falta es el reservoir, ¿verdad?
El recibo y le falta una front cover de fender liner.
Pero ya necesitamos meter otros nuevos que tenemos ahí.
Y ahorita voy a sacar ese, me lo voy a pegar a la Rodríguez, a la Chevrolet, cuadrarle el fender. Sí.
Ah, sí. Ya que me la
saques.
saques, mándame la pintura.
En la tarde saco el transom. ¿Qué pasó con el gato?
Aquí está. ¿Cuál?
Para bajar el...
Ya, le voy a hablar a este cabrón ahorita. Se lo llevó y nunca lo trajo el güey, ¿verdad? Nunca me lo trajo. Ahorita arreglamos ese pedo.
Sí,
Alcanza.
para bajar el transom.
Ya está. Ya estás peinado para atrás. Estamos hablando de que estamos sacando todos los carros que tenemos allá dentro de producción. Porque ahorita ya, por ejemplo, esta caja que de la C10, ya Shane ya la tiene limpia. Tenía un chingo de mojo. Bastante. Le echamos un pinche químico, fíjate. Le hicieron sandblaster, la dejaron, ¿no? Es el error, la dejaron que le cayera mucho rust. No le echaron el apaxi. Ahorita la estamos terminando, mira, ve. La estamos terminando de limpiar bien para que le saquemos todo el mojo. Ahorita le van a echar el apaxi para poder trabajar en el bodywork. Todo lo que está malo, ahorita ya después de que le echemos el apaxi empezó. El apaxi es el que nos deja trabajar con tiempo, porque si lo dejamos acá, como que hay mucha humedad, por ejemplo, si le dejo aquí los dedos, esos dedos se quedan marcados y ya no salen. Hay que limpiarlo otra vez. Se quedan esos dedos, se quedan marcados y se hace, nos sudan las manos, se hace otra vez rust. Necesitamos echarle apaxi de volada para limpiarlo bien. Right, Shane?
Right.
That's right?
What?
He's not put the sealer, apaxi.
Dumbass.
Ese es el pedo, pero ya le hicieron unos hoyos. Lo que antes se hacía, le hicieron hoyos para sacarle los golpes y luego le pusieron bando por dentro. Esto lo vamos a volver a soldar, lo vamos a sacar bien y lo vamos a soldar bien, todos estos hoyos que tiene aquí. You welding, Shane? No? Why?
I'm sure it's gonna need full of bundle on it. I'm
Okay.
sure of that. Total everything.
Total. Here, need to clean it up, everything. Shane.
I can, not everything.
No,
Little by
well,
little,
the
little.
spray. Yeah, I know, I understand. Where's the spray?
Spray.
What kind of material you use for clean? Because I recommend the people, when I got a lot of rusting like this, I recommend what product to use.
Here, it's over here. But I don't remember where I put it. Maybe put it back over here.
Bring it. So ese producto es muy bueno, lo tienes que sprayar para quitarle todo el mojo que tiene. Ahorita me lo va a traer Shane. Es el producto que usamos, que nos recomendaron. Lo hemos usado por muchos años. Siempre, mira, todo esto, ¿sí viste cómo está ya? Todo esto lo estamos limpiando bien. Todo hasta adentro. Este es de una C10.
It's not a really good product, but it works.
No, it's good.
It's not a good product.
I mean, that's the best. Is here. What product is best for you?
Sandblast.
I know.
Sand it out,
Look,
put it
but he
sandblast.
put it sandblast.
It'll
But the
tear
people
them
who
up.
don't put the epoxy, this is the problem. Come back the road. So that is protection for road.
It's not all that hot. It's not. It helps, but it's not that hot.
Yeah, you hear a lot.
It's up to you, but to me, it's like. The next problem is, when you shoot it in here, you shoot the primer, eventually it starts peeling up on you. It's not all that hot. It's just taking more work than what it's worth. It's just taking more time, and then when you shoot the primer, then it peel up on you, then you gotta redo it again. Start all over. Cut. It is what it is, ain't it? Start cracking up on you.
Yeah, I know. I need to take it off.
Epoxy, but it's too hard to clean everything. Really perfect.
But I need it. So I
But-
take care of this, and I send it.
This is all it's gonna do. Come on.
Where's
Over
the
here.
spray? Shane.
Over
I'll
here.
fight you. Shane. I'll fight you.
You see, you see.
He told me something different, and I know different.
Listen, you shoot this over here, eventually when you shoot the primer, it's gonna start building up more rust, and your bundle's gonna make bubbles.
Okay. That
It's not all that
That's-
hot.
that's
It
what I-
works, but it's not that hot.
this what I use. Bring it the spray. Come here.
So you like it, but
I
he
like,
doesn't.
well, porque Shane no le gusta, porque dice que tiene que trabajar otra vez más. Si el pinche bando lo pone aquí, cree que todavía tiene, esa madre es para matar el mojo, aquí dice, para matarlo. Si yo le echo en estos poros que tiene, en los poros teníamos más mojo por dentro, pero lo dejamos, how many hours you leaving?
24 hours.
24 hours. When I come back,
48 hours.
it's work. Look,
Oh, shoot it in there now.
inside, Shane, don't worry. Look.
It's not gonna clean.
Ok, you know, tenemos una controversia el pinche Shane y yo, pero look, no lo estoy dejando 24 hours, pero lo estoy tratando de quitar de volada con esto. Y es como un ácido, Lo que él dice que lo que queda adentro, si yo le echo pintura o le echo epoxi va a salir, pero es lo que yo quiero, limpiarlo bien, ¿sí? Limpiarlo bien. Ahí, Scotch Brown. ¿Tienes Scotch Brown? Pero esto es lo que a la gente no le gusta hacer, batallar. O sea, este güey no quiere batallar, pero lo hace. So, por eso él dice que no le gusta. Trabaja, pero no trabaja. Porque es que es too much work, right?
When you get done playing like he's doing, when you go to the convenience store, you smell like a beer can and a cigarette machine at the end of the day with this. What you doing by hand.
¿Sí viste cómo estaba? No lo dejé trabajar 24 horas, pero si yo lo dejo ahí 24 horas, lo saca más y es más fácil de cepillarlo. Porque ya sacó todo lo de adentro. Esta madre es como un ácido.
It ain't fixing the pinholes, is it? Now you got to give it 24 hours.
So ahí lo vamos a dejar para luego ver la diferencia, qué es lo que hizo. Pero si no limpiamos bien todo esto, se nos va a caer la pintura. Se nos va a caer. Por eso, cuando le hacen sandblast, lo que tienen que hacer de volada es echarle epoxi, para que no regrese el mojo otra vez. Epoxi rápido. Y eso te deja trabajar en el bando, si necesitas hacer bodywork, lo dejas ahí trabajando, te deja trabajar el bodywork. Este es como un ácido. Se enoja. Shane.
See, now you marked all that.
Don't mark, leave it. Don't worry, clean right there. Pero you don't put it.
Because I'm not doing that. I want to do it in
No,
steps.
but look, I'll do it right now because later is up. You fucking lazy.
Lazy my ass. Yeah, just clean
Leave
it.
Leave it.
I just cleaned it.
I know, I understand. But there's better clean it right now. There's better leave it. Sí. Si yo le doy con una fibra o con una lija, se viene todo.
I don't like that smell. It smells like a beer can.
Shane, use glow box. Esta madre es una chinga, pero te ayuda. Sí. Lo dejas ahí. Leave it 24 hours and tomorrow is come back to send it.
I was a little late. Now you can't. How you gonna shoot any tape on it?
Let me tell you something that's better for you. It's not worth too much. Hold on.
You smell it?
Yeah,
It smells like a beer can at the end of the day.
Estamos back and forth. Peleamos mucho porque no me hace caso el güey. Pero a veces trabaja más porque no me quiere hacer caso. Pero bueno, lo dejo al güey que... Mira, le dije agarra una Scotch Brand. Líjalo. ¿Sí? ¿Sí? ¿Cómo se trabaja? Solo ningún material va a trabajar. Tienes que ayudarle al material para que trabaje. Mira. Tenemos que quitarle todo este pedo y echarle más. Ve. So, estas piezas las puedo dejar metidas en este líquido y me lo limpia porque me lo limpia. Más que nada aquí en Texas, que es muy húmedo, súper húmedo. Hay mucha pinche humedad, mira. Shane, man. Look, Shane, come here. See?
Oh man, it's the same thing as DA problem.
I know,
But it's still just, it ain't clean. It's brand new. I want it to look new.
I know.
Like sandblast.
I don't have any chance for putting sandblast the whole thing because you already cleaned.
Oh man.
Oh shit. I'm sorry, my friend, for your cigarette.
Like an alcoholic. That's nasty, man. Yeah, you got to. Now go to the convenience store. Now, go get you a culprit, huh?
Hey, don't mock this.
Nah, it's fine.
What's your way, Shane?
The DA. It still don't look new again. He put the product on there, don't look new again like it is from when you get it aftermarket parts. It don't look new again, does it? Nope.
Different.
Shoot the primer and let it go. Epoxy primer and let it go. It ain't going nowhere. Like I said, I did the most of it by water sanding. Most of it, I did all this with water sand. And then look at it. And I only put a light coat of that other stuff on there at the end. That's it.
You're gonna try it your way.
It's the only way.